party is about to begin. Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el Party Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la casa. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Alright, should we get to the activity?
Please remain seated until your teacup comes to a stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye!
Once you get first, please ensure you're fully seated with your doors closed. Ensure your teacup is going to a full and complete stop. And once the house, please again gather your belongings, watch your step, and lock your pictures in your screen, exit by the Alice in Wonderland attraction. Thank you!
Oh, you got to go on. Here, we gotta get ready for the ride. And then Alice ran the last one.
Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quite